Today we are going to deal with the lesson Reach for the Top, written by Santosh Yadav, a woman of Haryana. This consists of two parts. First part relates the story of Santosh Yadav and the second part relates the story of Maria Sharapova. So today we shall have the summary of the lesson Reach for the Top, written by Santosh Yadav. Let us begin. Santosh Yadav is the only woman in the world who have conquered Mount Everest twice. It is hard to conquer Mount Everest once, and this Haryanavi girl has conquered Mount Everest twice, means she has reached to the apex of the Mount Everest. Born in a small village in Haryana, she was the sixth child in a family with 5 sons. Her mother, father, 5 brothers and only 1 daughter. And Haryana is a place where daughters are not regarded auspiciously. Okay. Though her name was Santosh, which means contentment. But she was never satisfied with her place in a traditional way of life, because girls were confined within the 4 walls of the room. She studied in her village school up to the age of 16. Till the year 16, when she attained 16 age, she was attaining the school in her village. Her parents wanted her to get married at that age, and early marriage is prevailing still in Haryana. It is a story long time ago, and that time there was early marriage. So her parents wanted her to get married at that age, but she firmly declined the proposal because she wants her own identity. She left her house and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. Her father forbade to pay fee. She started doing tuition in order to pay fee of her education. She decided to meet her educational expenses by working herself. Later on, her father gave the fee. Okay, but later on, her parents agreed to bear the expenses. When they were confirmed that this girl is not going to listen to them, this girl is going to pursue higher education, she went to Jaipur for higher education, where she decided to try her luck at mountaineering, at climbing mountains. She joined a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She enrolled her name in one of the topmost college of mountaineering, that is Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. There was no looking back after that. She moved ahead, equipped with iron will. Where there is a will, there is a way. So she was totally equipped with iron will, physical endurance and an amazing mental toughness. She proved herself and conquered Mount Everest at the age of 20. At the meager age of 20, she climbed at the apex of the Mount Everest, and hence she created history. Within 12 months, she conquered it for the second time. Hence, Santosh Yadav became the only woman to conquer Mount Everest twice. In recognition of her achievements, one of the top honors, that is the Padam Shri, was bestowed upon her by the government of India. Hence, she became the role model for all the women of Haryana in particular and of India and the world in general. Thank you. Have a nice day. Given by one of the holy men, means एक पंडित के द्वारा कुछ आशीर्वाद दिया जाता है संतोष की मम्मी को. But he was totally surprised. Why? One day a holy man visited Santosh's house. He blessed her pregnant mother. Her mother was pregnant at that time. Okay. He blessed her pregnant mother to have a son, and everybody wanted a son. Okay. But he was surprised when Santosh's grandma told him that she did not want to have a grandson, rather she wanted to have a granddaughter. दादी माँ को पोती चाहिए थी. Okay. Question number 2. Give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. Okay. Generally, now women are at par with men. But there was a time when women were confined within the four walls of the room. Right from the beginning, Santosh lived life on her own terms. She led a life of grand style. She was not content with the traditional way of life and was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. Unreasonable, she did not accept anything. There should be logic, only then she will accept the work to do. Where other girls wore traditional Indian dresses of Haryana, Santosh preferred to wear shorts, t-shirt. Okay. Hence, a transition from the other girl. There was a change in the attitude of Santosh Yadav. Question number 3. Why was Santosh sent to the local school? Okay. Even though Santosh's parents could afford to send their children to the best schools, she belonged to a well-to-do family. She was sent to the local village school because of the custom of the family. The custom says that girls should be taught in the local school. No need to spend unnecessary money on the education of the girls. Question number 4. Why did she leave home for Delhi and why? Sorry. When did she leave home for Delhi and why? When did she leave home and went to Delhi and what was the reason? When she turned 16 and was under pressure to get married, at the age of 16 her parents decided to marry her. Santosh threatened her parents that she would never marry if she did not get a proper education. She wants her own identity. Therefore, she left home and got herself enrolled in a school of Delhi. Question number 5. Why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for her schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? Santosh firmly told her parents that she would work part-time and earn money to pay her tuition fee for her education because her parents were not ready to pay her educational fee. Seeing her firm determination and interest in studies, they agreed to pay for her schooling in Delhi as they belong to a well-to-do family. Next, we shall have brief questions. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? How did the interest arise in climbing mountains? Santosh was residing in Kasturba Hostel in Jaipur. It was located amidst the Aravali hills. She used to watch the villagers going up the hills. Out of curiosity, she joined them and found that they were mountaineers. She joined them and they motivated her to take up the climbing, and she became one of the women who climbed Mount Everest twice. Thank you. Have a nice day.